Hi, today I'm going to show you how I made this animated ad using Canva's Match and Move. Let's get started. I started by dropping a square onto the canvas, then duplicated it, moved the second one slightly down. After that, I made the other one transparent. Next, I grouped them together, then I duplicated the group into 3 and colored each set based on the brand colors. Now, let's expand the squares. This will be our reference page. Here's a tip, guys. Just understand the concept behind this Canva trick. Once you do, you can create ads even cooler than this. No need to follow everything step by step. Let's build our first page. I changed the background into pink and copied the yellow square from our reference page. The trick to animate will hide the elements on the page and reveal them later on the next page. That's why we add transparent squares earlier. Now I'm adding the text we want to reveal later. For the text, we also add spaces that we'll use to hide it within the canvas. To animate everything, we duplicate the page and then we move the elements like the boxes and tags in place. Now go to Page Transitions and select Match and Move. Let's preview it. Looks good. Now I'll just repeat the same technique on the following pages. And that's it! Once you're happy with your design and how the transitions flow, go ahead and download your video. You just made a stunning animated ad in Canva.